Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are doing well. Now today's topic is the online course. Everyone wants free courses with certification. There are many platforms for paid and free courses. But we want free as well as a trusted platform. Now I suggest you go to Google. Now you think what I want to say. Yeah, you are right, Google offering free courses with certification. Follow the steps to get access to free courses from Google. Step 1: Open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser. Step 2: Then go to the search bar and search for Google Courses. Step 3: Click on the link learndigital.withgoogle.com, or direct type learndigital.withgoogle.com in your search bar. Step 4: Then you are landing on the home page. Or if you are not landing on the home page, then click on website logo. Now, you are showing some description like this. Get new skills for a digital world. Hey, you are now close to your dream courses. Step 5: Then click on Get Started button. Then they will land you on Online Courses tab. Or, this is your first time, then sign up with your Google account. As you can see, there are 126 courses. Now you can filter them according to your conditions. By categories: data and tech, digital marketing, career development. By course length: under 2 hours, 2 to 10 hours, 10 to 20 hours, 20+ hours. Then by certification: free certification and paid certification. Then by course difficulty: there is beginner, intermediate, advanced. Then by course provider. As you can see, there are many course providers, like Google, Coursera, Deakin University, Udacity, and many more. As you can see, there are a huge amount of courses. Information with how many modules are there. How many hours course is this? Who is the provider of this course? But before going to register for a course, you have to select your country. This option is available at the bottom of the web page. Select your country. And this will help you to learn the course in your native language. And examples are also from your country. Select a course which you want to learn from this. Google Digital Courses. I select a course named Promote Your Business with Online Advertising. Now you can see information about the course. Like about the course, course details, course features, and also a procedure how to enroll in this course. What modules are included in this video. Then skills you will learn in this course. Like business strategy, e-commerce, email marketing, local marketing, social media, video, display advertising, SEO. Now we go to the course and click on Start Free Course button. Now we go to the course and click on Start Free Course button. Here you can see course progress, course details. Then we can see modules, with how much time they will require. Module name, complete percentage. Let's start the course. Now we are in our first module. There are 3 lessons in the first module. And each lesson has two parts. One is watching the video and read the information. And the second one is to check your knowledge, in which you must give a quiz. You can go directly to any lesson, or you can skip the quiz. Now it's time to tell another feature of this platform. You can share the course with your friends. If you don't like the course, then you can remove the course from your learning plan. You can go to My Learning Plan to check course in progress. You can go to Register Courses from On Progress option and Completed Courses. Now the third feature is offline training. You can register here to grow your business. They will teach you digital skills. The fourth one is remote work. Here you can get work, learn and run your business from anywhere. There are 4 topics in this feature. First one is work from anywhere. Second one is run your business from anywhere. Third one is teach from anywhere. The fourth one is learn from anywhere. This feature is to develop your professional skills under Google. There are more options like certification, partners, tools, mobile, help and FAQs, feedback, my profile, and the last one is sign out. And here we complete our tour to Google Digital Unlocked. Now you can successfully enjoy your free course with certification.
And don't forget to like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video.